Hi guys, by what you guys saw in the title, today's video is gonna be a spring slash summer makeup look. It's just something easy, fast, but lightweight for those really hot summer days, and also still really glam, because like, I mean, we always wanna look glam. So yeah, this is what we created today. If you guys wanna know how I achieved this look, then just make sure you guys keep on watching. Hey guys. Obviously, by what you guys saw in the intro, we are gonna be doing a spring slash summer makeup look. So at first I was thinking of doing something more like a no makeup, but honestly now that all my makeup is out, I feel like just doing a full face. So obviously during the spring, summer, it starts getting hot it starts getting really hot, so we don't want to feel like a lot on our face. Well, at least I don't. Like, I don't like really feeling something heavy on my face or it getting really oily, you know, me sweating and it being like really like not falling apart, separating and just coming off. We don't want that. So we are gonna be doing something more light for the base, but just keeping it still, you know, glam. And sorry, Princess is right here and Coco's right there. So if you guys hear something, it's them. But what was I saying? Oh yeah, we still want to keep the glam, you know? We still want to look really good, but not feel like we are looking really glam, if that makes sense. Obviously, my eyebrows are already done and my eyelid is prepped and set to go for eyeshadow. So usually I go in with like eyeshadow, finish my eyes, and then do base. But lately I've been doing my, you know, doing my eyebrows, prepping my eyelid, and then doing my base, and then going and finishing off my eyes. I don't know why, I've been doing it lately, and I've been really liking how my makeup looks. So that's what we're gonna keep doing. So my skin is moisturized and ready for any primer, and lately I haven't been using primers. I feel like my foundation has been looking better without the primer. So I've only been using these. So this is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Dewdrops. You guys obviously know what this is. It was all over TikTok, so I would be kind of concerned if you guys didn't know. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, like, you know, it's pretty obvious that a lot of you guys know about these. Okay, now that we have that, I am gonna be using the Nars Natural Radiant Longwear foundation. I love this foundation. It's so like Longwear, and it's like full coverage, but it doesn't feel full coverage. I don't know, it just feels like it just feels really good. And look, like, this is what one pump is. So literally not a lot, but it's still like enough to finish your face. Well, at least my face. So that, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it. This. My shade is M1.5 Valerius. So yeah, I just love how it looks. It just looks so like, so natural. It just kind of, to me, it kind of feels like a BB cream, kind of. It's just like a little bit of tint for your skin. And it like feels like a moisturizer, kind of. Okay, so now that our foundation is blended, ready to go, we are going to be using the e.l.f. Putty Bronzer and the e.l.f. Putty Blush. The bronzer is in the shade Golden Days, and the blush is in the shade Turks and Caicos. I don't know how to pronounce that, but Turks and something. Okay, so I just go in with a small dense brush, kind of thin, and just apply it. Start contouring. Coco really wants to go outside. Lately we've been taking them outside. Well, like, usually in the summer we always take them outside because, I mean, I feel like it's good for them to like eat the grass, feel the fresh air, you know. Well, maybe not fresh air because it's hot as fuck, but, you know, feel something else other than the house. Oh my god, so I've been wanting to buy more makeup, right? Obviously. But I'm kind of trying to wait a little bit longer just because, one, I just got makeup literally like last month. And then the month before that, I got makeup also. But the reason why I want to wait is because, oh yeah, I'm going in with a blush. I just go in with my finger. But like I was saying, the reason why I want to wait is because my birthday is coming up. I know it's still May, my birthday is in August, but I mean, like, you know, you gotta prepare. I kind of want to celebrate the whole month. So, you know, I want to buy makeup, but I know for a fact that I'm gonna want to splurge during that month. Just like, you know, be like, it's my birthday month, it's my birthday month, I deserve it, and just splurge on whatever. So I think it's a better idea to wait. I am gonna be concealing with, oh actually, wait, first, I've been using 2 concealers and I've been using them differently now. So I use the Tarte Shape Tape. This is in the shade Light Medium Honey. And I only use this on my forehead and on my chin. I no longer use this under my eyes. I don't know when I decided to change that. I just did, and I really like how it's been looking. Oh my god, so literally the last week of April, I came back hard. Like, I literally had 3 videos on that last week, and I was so proud of it. And then the first week of May came up, and my period came. So now, I literally didn't feel like doing anything. So now to conceal my under eye, I'm gonna be using the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. So I'm pretty sure it's like the same as the foundation. Maybe that's why it looks so good. I don't know. It just looks really good. Okay, and this is in the shade Light 2.8. Maroon Glaze. Maroon Glaze. I'm so bad at this. So yeah, then we just go ahead and blend it out. I blend out the edges first and then just go in so the product doesn't move. Because I used to go in the middle first and then drag it out, but then it just moves the product too much, and I don't want that. I want the product to be mainly right here, like on my nose and my under eye. Look at how pretty it looks. It literally looks so good. It's so dewy. It just looks so good. Okay, and now that it's blended out, we are gonna go in with the translucent powder by, I was gonna say ABH. No, it's Laura Mercier. I'm back on Laura Mercier. I still love ABH. I don't know what Laura Mercier powder has. It's just so good. But yeah, I'm just gonna go in with my same beauty blender, the same one I was like blending everything with. I do still bake under my eyes. They just crease a lot, and you know, I don't want them to get oily or anything. Also, just overload my nose with powder, because I don't know if other girls have this, but usually my nose just gets, like, it starts coming off like really easy, and I don't like that. So whenever I like kind of bake my nose, it just looks better and it stays on the whole day. My foundation isn't coming off, you know, it's just better. Okay, so now that I'm baking everything on my T-zone, I am gonna go in with a little fluffy brush, same powder, just a little bit, and start setting the rest of my face. Okay, so now we are gonna go in with bronzer, and obviously same bronzer as always, the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. I love it. And it's in the shade Deep Bronzer. I feel like it's powder, but it kind of makes me think of cream because of how like easy it just blends in your face. I don't know how to explain it. It's just really good. Like this. So cute. Oh yeah, tip of my nose also. I forgot. Kind of the bridge of my nose. I don't grab any product. I just kind of go with whatever is left. Okay, now we go in with blush. And for blush, I'm going to be using the Milani Luminoso blush. I remember when everyone was super obsessed with this. And I never got into it. I never tried it till now. I'm just like, it's just so good. It looks so pretty, you know, for like an everyday. Okay, now we just put a little bit on my forehead and on my chin, just to kind of blend everything together. Then we go in with, I go in with my Bisú Rubor I got in Mexico. I just love the I don't know, it has like a golden, I don't know, it just looks really good. Like, I don't know if you guys can see. What does it look like? The window is kind of messing up my, whatever. I'll show you guys after, a little close up. Now that we have bronzer and blush on, I'm gonna go ahead and just press in whatever powder I have left under my eyes and on my forehead. And look at how, oh my god, this looks so good. Let me grab you guys so you guys can see a little bit better. Is it gonna focus? Okay, good. Obviously, you guys can, you know, do whatever you guys do with, like, you know, your own things, but I mean, I feel like this looks really good for like a summer, and plus it feels like I have nothing on. Okay, now that we have pretty much, not even pretty much, we are done with the face, I am gonna go ahead and do my eyes. So for eyes, I just want to keep it more bronzy, more tied with, like, you know, my look. So I'm just gonna go in with the same bronzer, a fluffy brush, and just lightly just put a light coat on my crease. And now we go in with the Milani Luminoso blush and another fluffy brush, and that one I'm just gonna do the same thing with the brown one, but just kind of go in with the pink. I just really like the color that it turns out, and then it just gives you like a glow like this. Oh, also I forgot, for my under lash line, for my bottom lash line, the heck, I'm gonna just be using the same bronzer, just kind of give a little bit of color. I'm gonna tight line my bottom waterline with white liner. You guys know I always do this. I can finally go off camera and prep my eyelashes, apply eyelashes, and for that I am gonna be using the Bad AB lashes in Saucy. I finally got like 3 more pairs of these and then some other pair, and oh my god, I am in love. I don't know why I ever even stopped buying them. These are my favorite. They're like the best. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. Apply mascara also on the bottom lash line and do my lips. Oh my god, why do I have like a crumb right here? I haven't even ate. And for lips, I am gonna be using the Nude Truffle NYX lip pencil, and for regular, you guys know in the middle what I use always is 55 Driver by Maybelline. It's Super Stay Matte Ink. So yeah, let me just go ahead and do that off camera, and then I'll be back to show you guys the final look. And we are back with lashes on and lips on, and this is the completed look. I honestly love these lashes. Oh my god, wait, obviously not the hair. I just have it like this so it could, you know, not be on my face. It's still kind of, I just showered, that's why my hair looks like this, so yeah. But it still feels kind of damp, and I really don't want to blow dry it, So I'm just gonna let it air dry. Just gonna let it air dry and then I'll probably just straighten it. But for makeup, this is it, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching today's makeup tutorial. I love showing you guys whatever I do whenever I do my makeup and just talk to you guys. You guys know I love doing that. Obviously, okay, I was thinking about adding gems to this, but just for the purpose of this video, I decided not to, just because it's supposed to be more like an everyone kind of makeup tutorial, because you know, maybe a lot of people don't really like going really like boom, you know, out like that. So that's why I decided to do it more simple and lightweight. Is that the word? Lightweight? I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. Please make sure to give this video a like if you guys obviously like the video. Comment down below if you have any suggestions on what I should try, any products, music, literally anything, any food, just anything that you guys feel like telling me. Comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching and keeping up, and hope to see you guys on my next one. Bye guys.